Hello everyone. So here it is a question of calculus 1 and we have been given a function in the form of x. Y is equal to minus 5x square minus x sin x. So it is the given function and we have to identify whether the first derivative of this function is correct or not. We have been given the first derivative of this function, that is y dash is equal to minus 10x minus x sin x cos x minus sin x. Here we have to identify whether this first derivative is true or false. So y dash means the first derivative, that is the differentiation with respect to x. So it is dy by dx. So we will write d by dx, and here y is equal to minus 5x square minus sin x. So this is the function. Now we know from the property of differentiation that if two or more functions are in a function, then we can separately differentiate them. So here the function minus 5x square minus sin x is a combination of two functions, that is minus 5x square and minus x sin x. So our first function is minus 5x square. We will write here d by dx minus 5x square, and our second function is minus x sin x. So we will differentiate it as well, d by dx minus x sin x. Okay, so the first function is minus 5x square. So here minus 5 is a constant. We know from the properties of differentiation that if there is a constant term, it can be taken out of the differentiation. So minus 5 will be come out of this, and the remaining portion is x square, and we will differentiate it with the respect of x. Now coming to the second function, that is minus x sin x. So minus sign we have taken out. Here it will be the minus sign, and inside what will be there? X sin x. X sin x is a combination of two functions, suppose u and v, and both of these are in the form of multiplication. So from the properties of differentiation, we know that if there are two functions that are in multiplication, then first we will do the differentiation of second function and will keep the first function as a constant, and then in the second step what we will do, we will put the second step as a constant and we will differentiate the first function. So here there are two functions, first is x and second is the sin x. In the first format, x will be treated as a constant, so it will come out. Now the only thing remaining is the sin x. We will differentiate the sin x, and in the second term what will be there? The sin x now will be treated as a constant and we will differentiate the x. Okay, so here it is x square. So there is a formula of x to the power 9, x to the power n. What is the formula? It will be the n x n minus n. This is a general formula. Here it is x square. So now n is equal to 2. Here we have put the 2. Now x n is equal to 2 minus 1. So what will be it? It will be 2x. Minus 5 and 2x, what will be become? It will become minus 10x. Now coming to the second part, here sin x. What is the differentiation of sin x? Sin x, if differentiated with respect to x, it will be the cos x. So it will be the minus x and cos x. Okay, here it is the sin x. Now what will be the differentiation of x? Here n to the power is 1. Okay, and from our formula what we know, d by x power n, x to the power n, n x n minus 1. Okay, so what here n is equal to 1, sin x 1 dot x to the power 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1 is equal to 0, x to the power 0, it will be the 1. So minus 10x minus x cos x minus sin x. So our statement is true. So in this way we can calculate if a single function has two or more functions. Thank you for the watching. Hello everyone.